Dear student, today we will discuss the concept of India and ASEAN relationship. The ASEAN, the full form of ASEAN is Association of Southeast Asian Nations. So basically, the Southeast Asian country is located into the India's northeastern regions. So, first we'll discuss about the history, how India closely linked or ties with the ASEAN nations in the past time and in the current time. Then we will discuss how this regional organizations, how it is important for India's is concerned. First we'll discuss a little bit about the history. So in the ancient time, during the Ashoka or in the later on the other dynasty, they were closely connected or to do some trading with the all these ASEAN members nations through the sea route. Uh, in that way, uh, India spread out the Hindu culture, the Buddhist culture, and many other culture to the ASEAN nations. Similarly, China also uh, connected closely with the ASEAN countries in the past. But after the colonial power uh, left to this region and also to from India, the world order became different for all this region or especially the Asian countries. So after the colonial power left to the Asian nations, the power vacuum created in this region. So immediately uh, the uh, the Asian countries they wanted a, a country or to the other power to provide a space where they can exercise independently their uh, foreign policy without any external uh, pressure. So our first Prime Minister Pandit Nehru uh, was initiated the concept like NAM, non-alignment movement, through which he included or he suggested to the ASEAN nations to become a part of the that movement, and also he very much interested to uh, to protect the interest of the newly independent nations. So let's see the map of the ASEAN. So here we can see the map. It is located in the northeastern part of India, through the Myanmar, or earlier it is called Burma. Then the other areas of the East Asian countries, and the mostly it is also uh, located into the South Sea area of China, and the, the nations are like uh, the, the Laos, Cambodia, Myanmar, and Malaysia, Thailand, Indonesia, Brunei, and others. So uh, you can find out how it is important for India's security is concerned, because we have already saw during the uh, war with Japan, during the British engaged war with Japan in the Second World War, the Japanese force they enter into the northeastern uh, through northeastern to India, and also they capture the the island of the south coast of um, Da- Damandu or Port Blair. So uh, you can say it is like a upper jaw or lower jaw, uh, or jaw, or like for the security is concerned, because in the northeastern region and the south coast of the India, uh, it is very important for India's national security. So the 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 Indian government, after the British left to India, so they they were quickly uh, tried to recorrect the security whatever Britishers lacking in their time. So the East Asians nations are very important for India's security is concerned in the first place, and in the second place, it is a very important is economic is concerned. So, but in the till 1962 or nearby 60 in earlier in the earlier time or the in the beginning, so there the India's policy towards East Asia was very good, and also uh, strongly participated with the ASEAN nations. But after the Cold War phase, the India looking towards the global perspective, and in the year 1962, the the government is slightly uh, moving toward the Soviet Union, and also the ASEAN members. Then, wow, the five members, those who are the founder members of the ASEAN groups, so they were not they were not taking into part into that process to India, because of the China's threat to them.